Hello and welcome again to our Wee Speaker chat for Agile2023 the Scotland experience. I'm Craig and I'm based in Edinburgh, where the conference is actually going to be taking place in July. And I'd like to introduce my co-host for this fun section. It's...
Hi, I am Vinnie, and today we have Koen. I hope I pronounced that correctly.
Absolutely.
Thumbs up if I have. Thank you very much. And your title, is it a talk or is it a workshop?
It's a workshop.
It's a workshop, and it's none other than the cake. I mean, he's come prepared. He's got the t-shirt, he's got like knives and everything.
It's the one and only t-shirt.
You might have a
There's
trouble
only
getting
one.
those knives through customs, but still, you know.
I'll put it between my clothes so no one sees.
So tell us a bit about your submission and what can people expect from it?
Well, the idea is we're going to do a workshop with a game with cards called Slicing the Cake to have a safe environment to learn how to properly split user stories. You know, the 9 splitting patterns of Richard Lawrence. The idea of the game is to get rid of the threshold you get when you need to write user stories. So instead you get cards with predefined user stories and you have to find the matching slices. That's the idea of the game.
Very nice, very nice. Craig, you've got any questions?
Well, yeah, it sounds a lot of fun. So, so tell me as well. I mean, just for the benefit of people who have never been to Edinburgh before, what kind of brought you to apply to the conference in Edinburgh, and what do you expect to do, kind of outside of the conference here?
What brought me to bring a topic was someone I got to know from the Access Agile Festival. Was in the organization or the selection committee of last year's edition in the United States. Mm-hmm. And she was pushing me to send in a topic, but it was kind of a burden for me to go to Orlando. So at a certain moment, she sent me a message saying that, hey, there's going to be an Edinburgh edition, so maybe you should try that one. And that's at the same time, you know, the WhatsApp group we're in. With you, Craig, and other people, there was going some talk going around that there was going to be an Edinburgh edition as well, and that kind of made me have a go for it. Actually, rather late in I think the last 2 weeks, I started preparing my proposal. So
that's very nice. So did you submit any other proposals, or was it just this one cake with knives that you were pretty confident that you were gonna slice and dice?
It was just that one, because yeah, I have done this workshop on previous conferences last year in Belgium. Mm-hmm. And this year as well. So I know, and also at meetups, people really appreciate the workshop itself, appreciate doing the game, because they feel also that it's something that's missing. Even though the material of Richard Lawrence is very well described how to apply these patterns, mm-hmm. Still doing this is something else. And yes. This is a first step to get to know the patterns in a safe environment.
Excellent. So for this segment now, this is the segment where Craig whips something out, okay? So are you ready, Koen, to play along?
Yes.
All right, Craig.
I don't know. Do you know what this is? It's near Edinburgh?
It's hard to see from me. Maybe I should try and it looks like a bridge. I think I saw a picture of yours a while ago.
So this is the fourth bridge. It's near Edinburgh. It's just a local landmark. Maybe it's the first example of continuous development, because they used to never finish painting it, right?
Okay.
Yes, there is no end. You finish one end and then you start another end. So if you're flying in, big
continuous improvement.
Correct. When you're flying in, sit near the window and you will see these bridges. It's usually a very nice welcome to Edinburgh view. So will you be doing any sightseeing? Is it just Edinburgh? Are you traveling around Scotland?
It is just doing the conference and the day before and the day afterwards, because if I had to leave the last day of the conference, I wouldn't be able to do my own workshop. That would be a pity, of course. So I'll be arriving on Sunday, have some time to look around in the city, meet some people, hopefully. and then spend the night at the end of the conference and the morning on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, 3 o'clock or something, I'm returning back to Belgium.
Okay. And
Okay.
do you think you'll be trying haggis?
I don't never say no. I'm open to try different things.
Okay.
Worth a go. And well, I think that's all we've got time for. So thanks very much, and hope you have a great time in Edinburgh.
Thank you.
Have a great conference. Thanks for coming on to our slot then.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.